If you are struggling with trading with using price action, listen and listen carefully. There are other strategies that you can use that will fit your personality, okay? Every single strategy has its own way and approach to trading, depending on the personality. Maybe your personality does not align so well with price action trading, okay? Let me show you a few trades. We took 2 trades today. I will explain everything how I took this trade. So this is Euro USD. We got around 90 pips right there on that particular trade. Okay, let me show you. This is a free group, link in the description if you want to join. Okay, to get all my trades there. We took Euro USD and as well GBP USD right there. Okay, and then after this I will explain exactly how I took the trade. Okay, so we sold here, took all the way, and we saw around 10,000 bank transactions had occurred at around this place. So short, boom, all the way, and kept on updating as the market kept on dropping until the market hit TP. Okay, so right here I gave a lesson explaining how I switched from trading my divergence strategy, which is super easy. Okay, so I always drop this knowledge nuggets to make sure everybody is growing. It's free, so make sure you join. Okay, and exactly how that happened. And once I came back to my original strategy, which is just following moving average for the trend and the divergences and a few other entry techniques that I will explain later, and maybe on other videos. You can see, yeah, that's it. So this is a video, the trade that I took. So this is Euro USD right here. It's very simple. So the first thing that I do, okay, it's first go to DXY. So this is the dollar index. So what is the purpose of the dollar index? I want to understand where USD is going. So where is the US dollar headed to? Because if we have GBP USD, GO, and we have Euro USD, if we can know what the US dollar is doing, it's very easy to understand what these pairs are doing. All right, makes sense. Okay, so the first thing that I need to understand is what is the US dollar doing. Okay, so then from there I saw it's right here, it's above the moving average, looking to push upwards. So if the dollar index will be strong, that means GBP USD, okay, sorry, that means GBP USD and Euro USD will be going down. Both of them will be going down. All right. So once I understood that, now it was time to go to GBP USD and it was time to go to Euro USD. I've made a video before about this, so make sure you check that video as well. So I'll then go to Euro USD, and then from there I can understand how will the euro move. So you can see right here we have the moving average here. The price was too far in the morning, was too far from the moving average, which meant that the price had to pull back close to the moving average before potentially, okay, I did not say before going up, but before potentially going up. So we still had the market to move lower, which meant GBP will be stronger. So if we are looking to sell GBP USD and Euro USD, okay, both of them, we are looking to sell them, to sell, we are looking to sell them. That means we need to know which one is weaker, because it is the one that will be pulled further and faster easily. Okay, so if Euro USD right here will be dropping lower, if we have Euro GBP will be dropping lower, that means GBP will be stronger than the euro, which means the best pair to trade is Euro USD. Makes sense? So even if you want to divide your risk will be on GBP USD, you take less risk than Euro USD. Makes sense? So Euro USD, you stack in more, and GBP USD, of course, you still take the trade, but not really as aggressive as GBP USD will be. Okay, as the other pair, which is the best moving pair. Okay, so now let's go to Euro USD. This is GBP USD. That is why you see GBP USD, we just analyzed and you saw GBP was to be stronger than the euro. That is why we found all this resistance right here. The market refused completely to drop, okay? But of course, you manage your risk. You have a stop loss at only 20 pips, okay? 20 maximum 30 pips, okay? So let's go to Euro USD, which was the pair of the day. We made 90 pips here on GBP USD. we exited at minus 25, 30 pips. So we are still net profit for the day. That is the goal. Okay. And you can see after entering right here, we put our take profit right here, exactly here. And look, immediately after we exited the position, okay, the market reversed. How powerful is that? Why? Because there are a few things as well that you need to know. So the first thing that you need to understand right here, we need to know where the bank orders are right here when entering the trade. Okay. So we had some bank orders right here. Okay, that meant the market was ready to sell. So that is another confirmation that we need to sell. Okay, and if we look at right here, okay, these are some of these things maybe you won't understand right now, but I'm building, I'm making a brand new course exactly explaining all these things. Okay, for those who will join right now on the current course, which is 97, they will get the updated version for free for life. So if you only pay once, $97, it's lifetime. Like you don't have to pay for any other update in the future. Okay, it's all free. Okay, so but the next version that I'm just about to release, which is super powerful, that will definitely be a higher price. Right now it is 97, but that will be maybe 149 or 197. Okay, so make sure you join right now if you wish to grab right now. Okay, so if you look at right here, the reason we took our take profit right here, it's multiple. Like we have a multiple exit technique. So the first one is the Fibonacci exit. You can see right there, Fibonacci exit right there. Okay, right there. Let me show you in just a second. Right there. So the exit was super good. It was all the way right here. Okay, you can see that. And then let me show you one more confirmation, which is super easy. After we looked at where the bank orders were at around this level here, this move, the market pulled, boom, exploded, pulled, exploded. So we need to see at around here, where were the bank orders, or where will the most transactions from the banks come from? And it shows that we had about 30,000 transactions, or the volume right here at this price right here. So this is the best level area to exit. Okay, that is where we exited, and as exactly as shown by the volume here, boom, a lot of orders were right here. That is why the market exploded. It's very easy. Like the first thing you need to understand is, where is the market going? Okay, so you look at the moving average, and is the trend bearish or is it bullish? Okay, so once you understand that, now you look at all the other entry techniques. Before I had 6 entry techniques, now I have 7, because I have to include looking at the bank orders. I need to understand where the bank orders are, okay, where the most transactions from the banks and big hedge funds were, okay, for me to understand that. Okay, so it's very easy, super easy. You understand the trend, and then I have 7 entry techniques now, and then we have 4 exit techniques at a profit and 2 exit techniques at a loss. Okay, and then a bunch of things on the psychology around the strategy. All right, so if you want to join, check the link in the description. You can join the free group to get my trades. I'll be posting them regularly. Okay, it's free. Or if you wanna get the course right now, the package at 97, before I build everything else again. Okay, the entire course again, explaining everything, which is super simple. Okay, the course will definitely go to 149 or 187 or even more. Probably maybe even 249. Who knows? Okay, but if you want to join now, it's super easy because you get it for free next after I drop it. All right. Yeah. So that is super easy. If you are struggling with price action, not everybody is meant to trade price action. It's not everybody who is meant to play netball or basketball or even soccer. Okay. No, some people are built better to see patterns from different angles. Anytime I use candlestick price actions and pure price action, like normally my win rate definitely dropped like crazy. But once I come to this strategy, it's super easy for me. Like I just analyze, where is the trend going? Boom, boom. Where are the entry techniques? Boom, 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 boom. That's it. I take particular trades, I manage risk, boom, and I'm good. I take normally 2 trades a day, Euro USD, GBP USD, whichever pair I see giving me the best opportunity, I'll take that or load more on that. Okay, and then it will cover in case the other one hits a loss. Most of the time, the one that will move properly normally will give me the profit. Then if the other one hits a stop loss, I have covered. Like today, made 90 on this. GBPUSD, I forgot to break even. That is normally how I do it. Like on GBPUSD, let's go back to GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, what I normally do is when I get an entry, we had an entry right here, and the market drops and consolidates down here, normally what I do is just break even. So I put my stop loss at entry. So even if the market comes back, I will lose nothing. Okay. And then so Euro USD will make me money, GBPUSD, I lose nothing. Okay. So that's exactly how I do. And it's super easy. So if you're struggling with price action, it's super easy. You just invest $97 right now. Before the prices go up, to understand a different concept, different strategy that is easier. Thank me later. All right. So thank you so much for getting to this. I hope you've understood. I hope you have you got exactly how I do that. Yeah, that's it. See you later. Bye bye.